Hey everyone, this is Eric Miller with Econologics Financial Advisors. Hey, what do you do when your business is failing? That's the subject of today's video. You definitely don't want to miss this. So one of the most unfortunate things that we see is that sometimes practice owners get into a condition where they are in a cash flow crunch. And worse off, it's like we're actually seeing their organization become insolvent, and that definitely leads to a business failure. Now, what do you do about that? Because there are definitely a series of steps. Matter of fact, there's 10 steps that you need to take in order to make sure that you can revive the organization and get out of this cash flow crunch. I actually wrote an article on it. We have a download, so make sure that you get access to that. We can certainly send that to you, but I'm going to give you a couple of those points today, but make sure that you download the entire article and do each of the steps. Okay, so what do you do when you're in a cash flow crunch? Well, the first thing that you would do, and by far the most important thing that you can do, is that you have to revive the purpose of the organization again. You started this business because there was something important to you. And then everyone else that joined your organization has that purpose too. You have to make sure that that purpose is strong. Revive it. Whatever it is, whatever your purpose was, get everyone back on the same page and make sure that everyone's not there just for a paycheck, that they're there to like really push the purpose of the organization. That would be the first thing. Second thing you need to do, and you have to do this very quickly, is make sure that you're operating on the correct income target. Okay, you became insolvent for a reason. It was primarily because you were operating on an incorrect income target. So make sure that you know exactly how much the organization needs to bring in so that you can get back to solvency. The third thing that you would do is you got to make sure people are doing their jobs. Okay, get back to basics and fundamentals. So make sure that everyone in the organization is doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing so that you can get back to business and back to serving your patients. The fourth thing that you would do is you want to make sure that you're directly inspecting your income lines. Money is an energy, it flows. So you have to make sure that all of the people that are in your organization that are responsible for collecting money, make sure there's no stops on the line anywhere. Make sure that you don't have the wrong people that are in charge of your income. People that are collecting money for you have to make sure that they have a bulldog mentality when it comes to collecting money. And if you do those four things, you'll start to see some improvement, but definitely make sure that you complete the whole list because they're very, very key items on there. And the most important part of this is that I just want to make sure you know that something can be done about getting your organization back to solvency. There are actions that you can take and you must take immediately. And I promise if you do them, you will start to see improvement in your organization. Hope that helps. Do well. Thanks again for watching this video. I really hope it had an impact on you and can help you in some way. And if it did, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, share this. And if you want to, tell me what you want to hear from us. Like give me a financial topic that we can talk about, that we can do in further videos. And what I really want you to do, most importantly, I want you to take some action. I want you to contact us, contact an Econologics specialist, schedule an appointment so that you can start your road towards financial improvement. It's not gonna happen by itself. You need to take some action and we're definitely here to help you. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you later.